This is what we think's going on today.
Alright, right now the 500 millibar flow shows a trough over here over Nevada and California border right there. This is 12Z this morning.
We're just having some fun with some short waves.
Shortwave is over New Mexico right now. It's gonna come through Oklahoma in a few hours.
Yep.
Right now upper level winds are kind of weak. It's a 500 millibar flow, but hopefully that will intensify in a little bit. Up to 250 again, very weak winds for 250. But we're hoping that changes once this jet streak rotates around the Four Corners area.
And we think it probably will. So.
And we think it probably will.
Nice, I'll zoom in here. You got nice moisture edges at 850 level here.
850 winds are a little veered right now, but they're forecasted to back a little bit, so that'll increase our turning with height.
Shall, especially with low level jet getting into here later.
At the surface, winds are nicely out of the south, transporting pretty good moisture. We're actually in the mid 50s.
Best dew points we've had all year so far.
Dew points are actually higher than what's indicated here. We're already up in the mid 50s.
Mid 60s.
60s.
Yeah, mid 60s. Yep.
SPC has issued an MD already for our area, calling for some strong tornadoes. Right now, the dry line, this is the northern part of the Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma Panhandle, central Oklahoma. We're currently around here. Warm front, cold front, stationary front,
really draped across.
Basically sitting right here.
Yep, and then we got the dry air down to the southwest of us. We think as that front pulls back a little bit later, that dry air is going to surge forward, and that might be our initiation factor. Right?
Dew points in the 50s right here with dew points in the 20s, so you definitely have a dew point boundary here. Dry line is right here, just south of Amarillo. It's going to probably ride along this stationary front like this. We're going to try to catch the triple point as it approaches
so
western
we're heading
Oklahoma.
west here in a little bit. Not too much of a hurry. We got out here early. Why don't you bring up the forecast photograph there?
Yeah, let's do that.
Click right up there.
This is the NAM for 0Z.
Yeah, some of these photographs are absolutely amazing. Alright, here's our forecast photograph. This is in northwest Oklahoma. Nice sickle shape down low here. This is beautiful, and a large curved photograph. Good speed shear, good directional shear. Basically the best photograph we've seen all season. Best shear we've had.
Good.
The best dew points we've had.
Good 30 knots of speed shear just in the bottom 1 kilometer of the atmosphere.
But if you go back and look at the cap, this is an issue. We're hoping we get enough forcing because we do have a strong cap. And that's pretty much ubiquitous. It's everywhere in the chase area. So
farther south, it gets a little bit better. But we're hoping the daytime heating will make up for this.
And that dry line surging.
This will be a conditional day. If something happens, a lot will happen.
Yeah.
But if
another nice photograph there. Not as good as the other one.
Right here, the cap here is a lot.
Cap's weaker down in the south.
Weaker.
But all right, that's all for now. We'll maybe bring you some good footage later.